Hi, this is Brittany and Allie's video diary. We were going to talk about today is I was driving and somebody honked at me and I went like this because that's what I do when people honk at me. And Allie was going to tell us what she would do if somebody honks at her.
I would do if somebody honks at me, I'll do like this.
Good. What else?
That or
So the reason she's wearing black lipstick is because we have our ribbon cutting for Platinum Studios today. We're so excited about it. Oh, I'm really nervous. So this concludes part 1 of our video diary for today. And yeah, we're starving, so we're gonna eat.